Welcome to this tutorial section. Now I'll tell you how to create a drop-down menu using ASP.NET with CSS. Now I tell you how to create a drop-down menu like this. Now I open Visual Studio. Go to File menu, New, Website. Here I select Visual C# and ASP.NET empty website. Here I give path for my project, and if you want you can change using the browse button. Now I click OK. On your right side, the project can create on the name of website 3. Here I create a file. So right click on the project and add new item. Otherwise, on your left side, here click and add new item. Here I select web form and I give my file name. I'll do drop down menu, so I give drop down menu and click add. Here in the div tag I create a class inside, so class equal to, I give Sam. Now I write styles for Sam. Before that I create a folder on my web project, so right click on the project, new folder. I give name CSS. Inside the CSS folder I create a CSS file, so that right click on the CSS folder, add new item. Here scroll down and I select style sheet. Here I give name drop down menu, add. So CSS file is within the CSS folder, so you can easily differentiate the ASPX file and CSS file. So I copy the class name, Ctrl C, and here I delete this and give full stop and paste, Ctrl V. Here I give styles width equal to 550 pixels, margin auto. This style is used to align the content in the center of the screen. So save it and go to ASPX file. Here I create a menus using unordered list, so I include the UL tag. Within that I add menus in the list. In the anchor tag I give name home, and next second one I give about us, and third one I give departments and fourth one contact us and last one I give help. So we run the project. How to display this program? So I run my project here. So you can see the menus are listed like this. So we can align the line. We can align the menus in the line. So we write styles for that. Go to CSS file. See, the UL tag is within the div tag. So we inherit the class SAM. So SAM UL. Padding 0 pixels, margin 0 pixels, and then I write styles for this tag. So I inherit the class SAM. So SAM UL list. So I set width for the list tag 110 pixels and I give float left. It aligns the menu in the left side and I give before that we run the project and I stop my running project and go to ASPX file. Here I include the CSS link. So on your left side select the CSS file and drag it here. So save the file and go to browser and run it. See, the menus are displayed like this. So we remove the buttons. So here I give display inline block. This style is used to align the content within the div tag. The div tag width is 550 pixels. Within that the menus are aligned so that we write display inline block. And next I give text align, center, and save CSS file and go to browser and I enter. See, the bullets are removed. We can change the styles in the browser itself. So I right click on the menu and inspect element. Here the coding and CSS styles are here. So now I writing for list tag, so select list tag. You can see the styles here, and now I give, you see the cursor is like this, so I change it cursor pointer. So see, the cursor is changed, and I set background color and I set RGB 0 216 255 and close it. Yes, RGB. So see, the list color will be changed in the light blue. So we copy the styles here, Ctrl C, and go to the CSS file, and here I paste it, Ctrl V. So save the CSS style, and go to the browser and run, and here I increase the height of the menu so that I give height 30 pixels. So select and go to paste it here and save it. Now we write the styles for anchor tag. So we inherit the class called Sam. So Sam ULLIA. Here I give font family Calibri, font size I'll give 18 pixels, and font color black, and I give text decoration none. It removes bullets and underlined text. And I set padding for that. First top, and then right, bottom, left. So I give top padding 5 pixels and right 10 pixels, bottom 5 pixels, left 10 pixels. And here I give display block. Display block is used to align the menus within the div tab. So save. So we can change the changes. You can see the changes here. You can change the styles here itself using up and down arrows. So I change the top padding so that menus are aligned in the box center. So I change top padding. I change 3 pixels. So you can change in the coding part. So I'll change it. Save it. Here I run. Okay. Now you can see the menus. Now I create a drop down menu within the departments menu, so that in the ASPX file I create a menus within the department. So within the list tag I create another unordered list. So within that list tag I create a menus physics, chemistry, maths, computer. I'll give 4 menus. If you want, you can add more number of menus here. And I save it and go to browser, run. You see the menus are, drop down menus are like this. Now I want, when the mouse over on the departments menu, then only the drop down menu can be visible. So before that the drop down menu display none. So I'll give styles for that here. So in the div tag, within that real tag, li tag, within the li tag we set styles for real tag. So dot sam ul li ul. So the drop down menu display none. So I'll give display none. Save it and go to browser. See, the drop down menus are invisible. So now I mouse over on the departments, the menus are listed. For that I write styles for it. So we want menus when mouse over on the departments. So dot sab ul list hover and then ul. So the list is hover when mouse over on the departments menu within the ul tag display. So I give display block. So save it and go to browser, run it. See, on the departments, the menus are listed. You see the drop down menus also aligned center and background color blue, all are same as this menu, because already we write the UL list anchor tag. So here I write within the LI tag, I write UL. See, we write UL tag, so it inherits the before tags. So if you see, I give list is with 110 pixels, float is left, text align is center. So here also list is aligned center. Now I'll change the content align in the left side. So I'll give Sam UL LI. So within the div tag UL LI, after that UL LI. So I write like this. Here I give text align left. So you see the content are aligned the left side. So can you see here itself. See, we already write UL tag and list tag, so we inherit the tags here also. Already we write text align center, so the menus are aligned center. Now in drop down menu we change the text align as left, so we change text align left. Others with float, display, cursor, background color, height are inherit from it. So next we give more attractions to the menus. For that I give, when mouse over on the menus, I change the font color, background color. So I change it. Here I change it. Sam UL list anchor tag. After that I write Sam UL LI A hour. Hour is used only when mouse over on the menus. For that I use hour. Here I change background color RGB 127 166 216, and I change font color white. So change the difference in the browser. See, when mouse over on the menu, the color will change and background color also change. So you see the colors and drop down menus also changed. If you want the drop down menus only, if you want background color and font color change in the drop down menu, you can add like this. I'll give Sam ULLI within that anchor tab. Hover, when mouse over on the menu, in the drop down menu, I'll change the background color RGB 14174 203 color white, font size 21 pixels. So save it and go to the browser. You see background color, font size is increased to 1 pixels. So see the changes here. If you want, you can change the background color, font color and font size, font family, whatever it is, you can change your wish. I hope you understand the creation of drop down menu. Thank you.